Salam everyone! By the way, salam means peace. This is Hanne Idris and welcome back to my channel. For today, we will study the verbs does, do, and did. So if it catches your eye, please stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for updates on my videos. Now let's get started. Does, do, did, plus the base form of the verb. That is the rule. Does is for a singular subject and in the present tense. For example, the customer does like our ice cream day. Does because the customer is a singular subject. Does like is equivalent to likes. So, pwedeng yun ang gamitin mo instead of does like. Another example, in our house, KZ does cook rice. Okay? KZ is a singular subject, kaya does ang ginamit. No? Does cook rice. Or, pwede mo sabihin, KZ cooks rice. Ganun lang yun kasimple. No? Using does is for emphasis. Okay, do naman. Do is for a plural subject and in the present tense. For example, they do bring their quarantine passes when they go out. Okay, do bring is equal to bring lang, no? Walang problema yon. Now, they is a plural subject, kaya do ang ginamit natin dito. Excuse me. Another example, my kids' friends, Popoy and Pipo, do come regularly to play ML. Alright. Do because the subject, friends, no, plural, Popoy and Pipo. Plural siya, kaya do ang ginamit. Okay. Did. It's in the past tense and it's for both singular and plural subjects. For example, yesterday you did go to the public market. Did, ibig sabihin past tense, no? Kasi meron tayo yesterday, so did go to the public market. Did go is equal to went. It's actually in the past tense. Another example, his big brother did call him a monkey. Okay? Did, nasa past tense siya, no? Did, so dapat base form yung call. Did call is equal to called. Another example, my teacher did leave a message, no? Did plus the base form leave is equal to left. So, pwede mo sabihin na my teacher left a message. Okay. So, ano nga ba ang sinasabing base form of the verb? Ito yung walang S, walang ES, walang D, walang ED, walang ING, or no change in spelling if irregular verbs ang ginamit. Okay? Meron tayong examples dyan. Does plus base form of the verb, does like, does go, does write, does invite, does observe, does manipulate, does interrupt, does interrogate. Okay, next. Do plus base of verb. Do show, do watch, do love, do remember, do understand, do subscribe. Please subscribe! Okay, another is did plus the base form of the verb. Did ask, did agree, did purchase, did begin, did charge, did examine. Okay. So, nakita nyo naman, lahat yun nasa base form ang main verbs nila. So, I think you are ready for a quiz. Okay? Short quiz muna tayo. Fill in the blanks with do, does, or did. Good luck! Okay, time is up. Time for the answers. Alright. Number 1, do you like hockey? Do, because the subject is you, kahit na isa or marami ang tinutukoy ng you na yan, plural pa rin siya, no? So, do you like hockey? 2, she does have a cat. She is singular. So, natural, does, merong es, does, plus the base form have. Number 3, they do want a drink. Subject is they, plural, kaya do ang nandyan, no? Do ang sagot natin. And then, plus the base form want, plus the rest of the sentence, a drink, no? So, they do want a drink. Number 4, your Omi does work. What is the subject? Omi. Okay, it is singular, kaya does ang ginamit natin, ang sagot. Does plus the base form work. Okay, number 5, does Liam have a bicycle? Okay, subject is Liam, that is singular, kaya does ang ginamit, plus the base form have, no? So, does Liam have a bicycle? Number 6, your teachers did give you homework last week. So, meron tayong clue dito na last week. Ibig sabihin, nasa past tense siya, no? So, pag nasa past tense, forget the subject, no? Kasi hindi naman nagmamatter kung singular o plural yung subject. Ang importante, meron tayong clue na past tense siya. So, did plus base form give. Your teachers did give you homework last week. Number 7, those children do live in the city. Children is the subject, plural, no? Kaya do ang sagot natin. Plus base form live, kaya those children do live in the city. Number 8, do we need our books? Subject is we, plural, kaya do ang sagot, no? Plus base form need, do we need our books? Number 9, the radio did play music the whole day yesterday. So, meron na naman tayong clue na yesterday, kaya did ang gagamitin. Regardless of the subject, basta nasa past tense, did ang gagamitin. So, plus base form play. Number 10, Yanboy does like his new car. Yanboy is the subject, singular, kaya does ang sagot, plus base form like, and the rest of the sentence. Yanboy does like his new car. Asmin di Sumangkop does want to become a doctor. Okay, Asmin di Sumangkop is the subject, singular, does, plus base form want. Next, NBA invited Mr. Amin Bantuas to join the team this year and he did accept it. Now, bakit did ang sagot? Kasi ang clue natin is invited, no? Kaya ibig sabihin nasa past tense yung action. Kahit na this year siya, nasa past tense pa rin. Okay, so did accept it. Next, Miss Hanne did tell Idris and Samira to show their answers on screen. Okay, bakit tell? Kasi did ang nasa sentence, no? Did is past tense, so plus base form of the verb tell. Alright. Ayan. Okay. Sana naman naka-perfect score kayong lahat, no? So, sa mga students ni Miss Hanne, salamat. Maraming salamat sa panonood, sa pag-subscribe. Sana mag-subscribe na rin yung iba. Okay. Thank you for watching. Until my next video. Salam!